So this is the Autotrail XL 675B front bed makeup with your half dinette. So what you need to do is you need to remove all your cushions first. Pull this section forward. And that folds over. If you lift this section up, you'll find a bed makeup board which goes in here and rests just underneath the cushions. And then this section slides out and has a drop down leg. So that comes into here. And then you would pull your base cushion forward, pop your backrest in the back, and there you have your front bed makeup on the 675B XL model.